Did you know that you could be held personally liable for the debts of your company? You can if you're found guilty of wrongful trading. Are you aware that trading insolvently is classed as wrongful trading? How do you know if you may be trading insolvently? Well, there's three ways to check. The first is a cash flow test. Is your company able to pay its debts as they fall due? For example, are you paying your pay-as-you-earn national insurance on the 19th of every month? Or are you taking a little bit longer and maybe building up some arrears? Are some of your creditors giving you, say, 30 days to pay your bills, but you're taking a little bit longer? Either of these can be classed as trading insolvently. The second test is the balance sheet test. Are you certain that your assets are worth more than your liabilities? The third test is the legal test. Have any of your creditors managed to obtain CCJs or statutory demands against your company? If any of these examples apply to you, you may be guilty of wrongful trading and could be held personally liable for the debts of that company. Also, are you paying yourself via dividends? If you are you certain that the level of your profits is sufficient to cover those dividends? Because if not, you're going to end up with an overdrawn director's loan account and may end up paying that money back to the company. Why did you set up a limited company in the first place? Was it tax advantages, prestige? I'm sure that the corporate veil had a lot to play in there. The corporate veil, the veil of incorporation. The company is a separate legal entity and enters into contracts with its own contractual capacity. However, that veil of incorporation can be lifted if you're found guilty of wrongful trading. As a director, you must take action as soon as you realise that you're trading insolvently. If you don't, you will be held personally liable for the debts. If you need to speak this through, give me a call on 0800 533 5370 and we'll discuss how you can avoid being held personally liable for the debts of your company.